Alright, well, I guess we'll talk a little bit about the end of the day. Couldn't get this started. I did notice, and I'm going to try to turn this. You can see this flywheel is a bit loose, so I had to check and make sure that everything's tight on this. The other thing is these little engines, the smaller they are, the more testy they are about keeping compression. So this one has compression on and off, but you can also hear how bad it's leaking, so I'm gonna have to at least tighten this flywheel, because that loose flywheel prevents it from running really well, and can cause a lot of trouble. The other engines, the ET1 ran really well. The ET7 was kind of testy today, but the ETX was running nicely, and the ET6 was middle of the road. So otherwise it was a good day. It's a little disappointing this neat little EM1 isn't cooperating, but we'll tighten it up and take a look at it and see if we can figure out what's going on. I need to remember to turn it the right way when I'm fiddling with it though. So anyhow, we'll take a look at it this week, and maybe we'll have better luck next Saturday.